Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got the ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, but also for the notification sound. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Let me tap on it, of course give all the permissions, and as you can see here we've got plenty of defaultly installed ringtones from which you can choose. What's more, at the very top, let's say on this list, in this custom section, we've got on this device, which means that after tapping on it, your device will transfer you to your own files. So if you will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here. So for example, downloaded music or the recordings from your recorder. So you will be able to set them as a ringtone. And basically, if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, is to simply tap on it. That's all you have to do. Yeah, and let me volume it down a little bit. And I forgot to say about the vibration, because as you can see here, you've got the vibration option. You can synchronize it with the ringtone, or you can pick the special vibration patterns. It's up to you. And I'm telling about that because you will also feel the vibration after tapping on particular ringtone, so you will be able to check how it will feel like. So of course, as I said, after tapping on it you can hear it. So if you'd like to set particular ringtone, so let's pretend that I want this fresh morning and to be my ringtone, then all I have to do right now is to simply make sure that this option is marked, like here, and go back. Basically, that's all you have to do, because as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone, and the same situation will be with notification sound. So the process is the same. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.